When was Operation Sindoor launched by India? And the correct answer is Operation Sindoor was launched on 7th May 2025 as a direct response to the terror attack in Pahalgam. What was the immediate trigger for Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the operation was triggered by the Pahalgam attack, where 26 tourists were killed. Which terrorist group claimed responsibility for the Pahalgam attack? And the correct answer is the Resistance Front, TRF, linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba, claimed responsibility for the attack. What was the main objective of Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the main objective was to dismantle terror infrastructure, not to capture territory or military bases. How many major terror camps were targeted in Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is 9 major terror camps were identified and targeted. Which Indian armed force played a crucial role in delivering precision strikes during Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the Indian Air Force led the precision strikes across the border. Which two terrorist headquarters were specifically targeted in Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is Murid K, led HQ, and Bahawalpur, JMHQ, were among the key targets. What was the nature of India's response in Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is India's response was carefully calibrated to avoid escalation, focusing only on terror camps. How did Pakistan retaliate after Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is Pakistan responded with drone and missile strikes against Indian military installations. What system helped India intercept Pakistan's retaliatory drone and missile attacks? And the correct answer is India's integrated counter-drone grid and air defense systems successfully intercepted the attacks. Which government body was pivotal in coordinating the Tri-Services response during Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, ensured coordination among the armed forces. Which of the following was not targeted during Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is no Pakistani military facilities were targeted, only terrorist infrastructure. What message did Operation Sindoor aim to convey? And the correct answer is the operation sent a clear message against cross-border terrorism. Which treaty did India suspend following the Pahalgam attack? And the correct answer is India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty after the attack as a diplomatic measure. What was the main reason for the success of Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is years of intelligence gathering enabled effective targeting and mission success. Which Indian city was not mentioned as being targeted by Pakistan's retaliatory strikes? And the correct answer is Mumbai was not among the cities targeted by Pakistan's retaliatory strikes. How did India ensure minimal collateral damage during Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is precision strikes and avoidance of civilian areas minimized collateral damage. Which of the following best describes Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is Operation Sindoor involved all three services, Army, Navy, and Air Force. What was the international perception of Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the operation was seen internationally as a justified and measured response. Which terrorist organization's headquarters were among the primary targets? And the correct answer is Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters were priority targets. What was a significant outcome of Operation Sindoor for India's defense preparedness? And the correct answer is the operation showcased India's ability for coordinated, high-precision action. What did Operation Sindoor symbolize in Indian defense history? And the correct answer is it became a symbol of military precision, inter-service cooperation, and national resolve. Which Indian policy was reaffirmed during the escalation after Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is India reaffirmed its no first use nuclear policy during the escalation. What was the public reaction in India after the Pahalgam attack? And the correct answer is the public in India reacted with outrage and demanded strong action. Which of the following best describes the operational ethics of Operation Sindoor? And the correct answer is the operation was conducted with operational ethics, aiming to avoid civilian harm.